It worked. It worked. Not a bad one either for a back of the pool sipping midge fish. Not bad. Welcome back to the channel. We're out here on a beautiful piece of water. Water's low, water's crystal clear. It's supposed to rain off and on all day, but nothing heavy. This is catch and release, fly fishing only water. Very popular. I figured with the rain, and it's game day. Now, I don't know, nor do I care who's playing, but that'll keep a lot of guys off the water, and they look at the forecast. Yep. I figured this heavily pressured stream, this is the time to hit it. So, let's get cracking. Well, it's November. I'm still wet wading. We had a warm spell. Had a you know, the night was like 59, 60. You know, it's gonna get probably up to 69, 68, 69. High for today, theoretically. With the weather, that's always theoretical. And theoretically, the stoneflies will be hatching. Meant to bring the 9-foot rod, but I put the wrong rod case in the car. I ended up with my Sage RPL 5-weight, but it's got like a 6-weight forward line on it. And for delicate dry fly fishing, that's not exactly the ticket. I'll make do with the little small creek rod. Yeah, I don't think the stones are hatching yet. They might not today. I don't know. No, it was a fish, followed it. Fish followed it. Okay, all right. Followed it. And he swirled under it like he was going to, and then he didn't, and he was going to, and he didn't. He never got within 2 inches of the fly. Okay. That tells me I ain't got what they want. I'm not coming back for that thing. Hey, Derek, what are you gonna do? What's plan B? I don't know. So we go with the third choice. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'll show a picture. Size 20. Little dry fly. Micro trout just rose right there. Oh, that's about right. Oh, he took something beside it. He took something right beside it. A natural. This is a small fish. Right now, I don't care. Now I got away from that current. It worked. It worked. Not a bad one either for a back of the pool sipping midge fish. Not bad. Remember, Derek, you got 6X, dude. You got 6X. That's what you got. 6X. Nice little rainbow. There we go. Sorry, guys. Man, those rainbows are the worst when it comes to being slippery and wiggly. Pretty beautiful fish. How about 10 inches maybe? See if he's got a buddy in there. Well, half the day's gone. I struggled this morning. It worked. It worked. Oh no, it came out. No. Oh man. There's another one up there. Guys, there's really, you gotta understand something. You can say, well, Derek, there's nothing hatching. And you'd be right. You'd be right. But there's always something hatching, and usually it's small, real small. Yeah, there's fish rising back here. And I think they stopped for the rain. It's probably hard for them to see really small stuff in the rain. Now I've caught fish on bigger flies, but they're not hitting the bigger. Man, I pick up, of course I did. I picked up a leaf. Oh, there he goes right there, right there. So they're here. I mean, they're flat out here. They're starting to crank up a little bit. Oh, he refused it. There goes another one. There's fish in here. Oh, there's 3 right there. Look at that. There's a couple right there. They're really, they're either scattered or they're moving around. Which, this still of water, they could easily do that. The faster the current, the more they stay in the same exact spot. The slower the current, the more they're likely to roam around. Fly into the danger zone. I knew it. I was right where they were at. Let's just don't lose him. The thing is it's not that they can break the tippet, which they can, but also a small hook can just pull out real easy. Very easy. This is a better fish. Got ourselves a little brown trout here. He's a better fish than that other one. All right. Come here, buddy. I don't like that net. He says, this is a very popular river. I know about those things. Much better fish. Holy cow. Much better fish. Okay, let's find this thing. We're gonna let you go. What happened to it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Man, he's got teeth. Ah. I got him. I got him out. Okay. In the net. Leaving the net. Okay, guys. Real quick, let's show you this fish. Oh, okay, buddy. You're about to be free. Oh, 14. About 14 inches. Oh man, size 20. Size 20. That's a 14. Might have been 15. I doubt it. That was a beautiful, beautiful fish. I know I should really hold them up better, and I just want to get the fish back in the water as soon as possible. Even though it's not hot at all, you know, oxygen is not a problem. You got all those riffles up there. This is highly oxygenated water. That is not a problem, but I still respect the fish. That was nice. He was a lot bigger than I thought. I was expecting 8-10 inches back here. I think we disturbed the pool. I don't know of a better way. You're gonna spook fish. That's the best way to do it. Nice. Now I get about 3 more like that, I might have a video. There we go again. Love it. I just absolutely love this. This is one of my favorite types of fishing. Real small flies, dry flies. In case y'all didn't notice, that's what I do. Man, it's barely in a little bit of flesh on the lip, man. I mean, barely. Anyway, little rainbow. Probably about 10 inches. A little bit over, Derek. A little bit over, man. That's in the zone. It's in the zone. Oh, no. It was in the zone. It's like that last fish I caught. He was hanging on by just a little bit of his lip. I mean, a little bit. That was a nicer fish too. That was like that bigger one I caught. That was a nice fish. Oh. My line landed right when he rose. That was another tail shower, by the way. I saw a bare commotion, and then I saw the tail. And I thought, he hit my fly as soon as it hit the water, but my fly was beyond him. Oh, come on, fish. This is difficult, which makes it a lot of fun. It's very difficult. That's close. Oh, no. I was real close. I don't think he actually took it. No. Right. Fish. About to give up and start moving on up, and he rises. They do that on purpose. Like, he's about to leave, rise. Well, there's nothing there to eat. I don't care, just rise. Let's just mess with him. Let's see how long we can keep him here. I think some of these fish are feeding so well that they'll take something that's a little bit too big, but some of them may be keyed in, and they are not going to take anything but what's exactly right. I'm beginning to wonder if these couple right here aren't keyed in on something else. Those guys in the back had no problem taking it. No problem at all. There's Mr. Tail Shower again. They all of a sudden got picky. Wasn't sure my fly was there or not. I just saw it rise and set the hook. Oh man, I didn't know where my fly was. Maybe he hit one of my leader knots. That is not outside the realm of probability. Guarantee you that. I put on a smaller version of what I caught the ones back there on. You gotta understand, these fish. Oh, I don't know of another place that I fish where they get hammered so hard. That was a dink. That was an absolute unmitigated dink. Oh! And another one hit it. Oh yeah. Oh, let's see. I got a little brown, very little brown. Yeah. Thank you, by the way. Going back here to these guys where I hooked one for briefly. See if I can, I'll take this different fly. One for the road. One for the road. Not bad, not big, not like that nice brown, but I'll take this one. I'll take all of them. I'll take them all. Fight. They will fight. In the world is that? I don't know. That's cool. That's exactly what I wanted. Little bow. Yeah. There you go. He's all right. Did he hit my lead or not? Oh yeah. Does not get old. Just gotta let them fight. You want them to get it out. Otherwise, they are going to break you, or that little size 20 hook will come loose. Man, I'll tell you what, this day has ended up a lot better than I thought it was. Okay, fish. Got to get constant. Come here. Get a hold of you. Anyway, what I'm going to do is show you the fish. Okay. Now I'll unhook him. I thought it was completely over, but no. So I didn't catch the fish right here earlier. They just totally done me wrong. Whew.